How does a flat piece of leather transform into a high-performance machine for your feet? Witness the 200-step evolution of a modern sneaker. From robotic laser precision to the secret of the 5-bar heat press. This is the ultimate anatomy of speed. Let's head to the factory floor. From raw materials to the ultimate stride, witness the 12-minute journey of high-performance footwear. Every sneaker starts as a choice: premium synthetic leather and high-tech breathable mesh. We begin by unwinding massive rolls of material, preparing the canvas for the laser. Precision is the heartbeat of the factory. Our CNC lasers cut patterns with sub-millimeter accuracy. The laser cauterizes the edges, ensuring the fabric never frays, even under extreme stress. Each panel is a puzzle piece designed to wrap the human foot in a protective embrace. Power meets speed as the die press punches eyelets, the anchor points for every lace. The brand identity is forged in heat, embossed directly into the leather for a 3D finish. To ensure a seamless feel, we skive the edges, thinning the leather so layers overlap invisibly. This prevents painful pressure points, making the shoe feel like a second skin. Aesthetics meet function in the embroidery stage, where 1,200 stitches per minute create the design. Every thread is reinforced, designed to withstand thousands of miles of movement. The upper begins to take shape as skilled hands guide the material through the post-bed sew. This is the structural foundation of the shoe, where the mesh meets the leather. Comfort is engineered. We insert high-density foam collars to protect the sensitive ankle area. The stitch must be perfect. A single loose thread could compromise the entire fit. Protection is built into the heel. Heat-activated molds create a rigid counter for stability. This stiffened back end prevents the foot from sliding, reducing the risk of injury. The upper is now complete, a flexible, durable sock ready for its foundation. In the rubber lab, we knead raw elements into a dough that will become the outsole. Carbon is added for durability, ensuring the grip lasts through rain, mud and asphalt. Midsole injection is a high-pressure science. We create a foam that returns energy with every step. This lightweight material is the secret to walking on clouds. Traction is a pattern of physics. We strike the outsole to create a grip that never slips. The air unit, a pressurized chamber of gas designed to absorb the heaviest impacts. It is placed with robotic precision, centered perfectly under the heel's strike zone. We trim the excess. Every gram of weight saved is a millisecond gained for the runner. Lasting is where the shoe gets its soul. We pull the upper over a plastic foot to set the shape. The leather is stretched to its limit, ensuring the shoe never loses its form over time. We roughen the surface. Glue needs a grip to hold the upper to the sole forever. Primer and adhesive are applied by robots to ensure 100% coverage with zero waste. The glue is dormant until it meets the heat of the infrared tunnel. Activation happens in seconds. The molecules of the glue prepare to bond. The final press is the moment of truth. 5 bars of pressure fuse the shoe into one. It is a chemical and mechanical bond that no amount of running can break. Rapid cooling freezes the bond, locking the components in place for life. Lacing is automated for consistency, ensuring perfect tension across the entire foot. A final buffing brings out the luster of the premium materials. The insole is the final layer of comfort, treated with antimicrobial coatings. Packaging is the final ritual. We protect the masterpiece for its journey to the customer. Tissue paper prevents scuffing, keeping the finish factory fresh. The box is the promise of performance, ready to be unboxed by a new owner. But the real test happens on the pavement, where engineering meets the athlete. Every stitch, every drop of glue and every bubble of air works in perfect harmony. This is the science of the sneaker, mastered by machines, finished by hand.